Hey there! Ever found yourself constantly adjusting the time on your Xiaomi phone whenever you travel or when daylight saving time starts? Today, I've got you covered with a simple guide to setting your Xiaomi phone to update the time automatically. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, scroll down a bit and locate Additional Settings and tap on it. After that, tap on Date and Time. Now, toggle on Set Time Automatically right here. Next, toggle on Set Time Zone Automatically. From now on, whether you're jetting off to Antarctica or just down the road, your Xiaomi phone will handle the time for you automatically. And there you have it. That's how you set the time automatically on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, be sure to smash that like button. Want more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi phone? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!